Guess what, guys? I got the Brazilian MRE. Look how big that is. It's 2022. Pretty awesome. Looks like whenever it was going to the countries, they opened it up to check on it. Looks like everything's still inside. So looks like there is breakfast, lunch and dinner maybe, and it's all opened up. Hopefully they kept the old ingredients inside. Looks like this one probably accessory pack. Oh my gosh, is this water or no? This says alcohol. Wow, Brazilian MRE, a whole pack of alcohol for cleaning hands maybe. That is insane. Pack of matches. Sweet. Alcohol wipes. A spoon. Looks like we have a little folding stove. That's cool. Just go this way and this way. It's probably going to be dry fill over here unless the customs have took it out. They might have taken it out, the dry fill tablets. It's alright, I have my own. There's probably activated charcoal or some, not sure. There's 1 meal. It's all in different language. Good till January 2023. We'll open it up, see what's inside there. Looks like there's some kind of coffee. Ooh, some kind of gummy bear things. Biscuit, cream cracker, I think. Energy powder drink. Another powder drink. Protein bar. It says protein on it. Some kind of jelly. More gummy bears, sugar, more jelly. That's a lot of stuff. And more sugar and coffee. So looks like there is another one right here. You have 2 meals. Which one is that? Please translate for me. And you have right here 2 of them, July 2023. And is it pretty much same thing? Nope. Strawberry jam. This is says latte on it. Wow, you get a powder latte. Some kind of grits. More cracker. Cream cracker. Same jam, sugar. So a lot of same stuff. There's some kind of candy as well. And that's it. I got right here 3 different glasses just to show you what it's going to look like. Look how much powder there is. Some of it will be cold water, some of it will be hot water. And this side here will be latte. I think I'll just go with the latte. Some kind of grits maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, you know what? That looks like rice with meat and beans. And let's see what's in here. More rice. This is just sticky rice, that's it. Maybe I'll put this in with the rice and make tasty better. I'm not sure if that's what you're supposed to do, probably. I'll go just microwave it, cheat a little bit. Okay, let's see what's in here. This is the latte. Oh yeah. This is, as you can see, some kind of like mashed potatoes or something. Wow, it's getting really thick instantly. Some kind of instant grits. Smells really strong. You know what? This looks like 80% alcohol gel. You put that gel into the stove to boil your food up, and it comes with matches. We'll put that to the test at the end. I'm not going to be doing that because it takes a long time to warm up your food. I'll just microwave it. Also, have right here cold water. This one is orange, and this was like energy drink right here, just white. Because I'm mixing it with cold water, I should have done it in the beginning. Okay, there's a main course right here with meat and rice. There's pieces, looks like beef. And rice. It's good. Very tasty. And you know what? Very edible. It has lots of flavor in that. Like Tastes like home cooked. Then right here some kind of curry, I would assume, with the rice. Let's start. This is delicious. Maybe the not most appetizing looking thing, but the flavors are so good. The meat is good, the rice. This is actually awesome. Definitely one of the best flavored MRE. Wow, I could survive on that for sure. The other thing is right here. Really not sure what that is. Looks like some kind of grits to me. It's honest, it smells like a rye bread. This is strange to me. It doesn't taste like it's bad or anything. It doesn't have too much flavor in it, unless some kind of bread. Very strange. Okay, let's sip on that. Wow, smells like Fanta, tastes like Fanta. It just doesn't have a combination. It's really good. Okay, the energy. Yep, that's what I thought. Tastes like lemonade. And a latte. I love lattes. It's my favorite coffee drink. Let's see. Yeah, definitely not that strong. It has weird flavor to it. I'm just used to Starbucks lattes, probably why. Yeah, that was not so good. But everything else is delicious. Now let's open the other stuff. This right here, a little protein bar. It's a little bit raining, so I'll just open it as it goes. Look at that chocolate. Very, very chewy. It tastes like one of those hiking protein bars. A bit too chewy for my liking. There's the crackers. Didn't survive the trip, but as you can see, salted crackers. Just like that, regular crackers. You get 2 packs of them. Can pronounce this food. Definitely never had that kind of jam before. That jam looks delicious. Okay, goes with the cracker. Pretty thick jam. Definitely has this weird aftertaste to it, like exotic fruit for sure. This one is just strawberry. Same thing. This one a bit softer, the strawberry jam. That is good. With the cracker. Let's see what this thing is about. Check this out. Oh yeah, this is good stuff. Have a really strong flavor to it, especially aftertaste. Very sweet. Wow, tastes like honey a little bit. I have no idea. Please translate what this bar is. So as you can see, pretty big MRE. I like it. The main meals, most important, was very flavorful and delicious. So now I'm gonna put to the test this right here. This is the feel. Yeah, you see it's like a gel. You definitely don't wash your hands with it. I'm not really sure. Let's see. And it's burning. That's how easy it is to light it up. I know it's like invisible flame, but check this out. Yeah, it's definitely burning. Then I guess you put pot over it and cook your food or boil your water. I guess it's gonna burn for quite a minute because as you can see it's burn off slowly and generates pretty good heat.